Hello students, welcome to my video. Today the topic is questions in research problem. I Dr. Rohan Revale welcome you all for the lecture number 5 online lecture series for the subject business research methods. Earlier video we have seen how to frame research problems, and today in this video we will understand what are various questions in the research problem. Learning questions for today's session. What are the questions in research? What is management research questions hierarchy? So we will start with the research questions. In the previous video, we have seen formulation of research problem consists of various management questions, business research questions, investigation questions, and measurement questions. Now we will start with management research questions hierarchy. It starts with management dilemma. We have to convert management dilemma into management questions. Further management questions are to be converted into research questions. Research questions are converted into investigation questions. Then investigation questions are converted into measurement questions. And at last step, measurement questions are then converted into management decisions. Now we will understand one by one. First of all, we will start with what do we understand by management dilemma. Management research question hierarchy is a step process of solving the management dilemma from management dilemma to finally management decisions. So these includes these 6 steps. Now we will start with what do we understand by management dilemma. Management dilemma is usually a symptom of an actual problem. Management dilemma initiates the decision. Below are listed few common problems that any organizations or management may face. Examples like why the company's sales are declining. What is the reason behind increasing defective output in a manufacturing unit? Or further we can add questions like call center is receiving many complaints regarding after sales services, or can we go for new modification in the existing successful product? So such type of management dilemma will be there. Thus, organization can track the performance indicators such as strategic decisions, cost, sales, purchase, employee turnover, manufacturing input-output, defects, etc. So this is about management dilemma. Now we will understand what do you mean by management questions. Management dilemma is translated into management questions. At this stage, the researcher refers review of literature. Management questions restates the dilemma in the question form. Now examples we can say our management dilemma was why the company's sales are declining. So we can convert that dilemma into management questions like this: how to increase the sales. Our management dilemma was what is the reason behind increasing defective output. So we can convert management questions like how to decrease the defective output. Similarly, if the call center is receiving many complaints regarding after-sales services, then our management questions will be how to decrease number of complaints reported. And if our management dilemma is like this, can we go for new modification in the existing successful product? Then our management questions will be which modifications are to be done in the existing product. Likewise, management dilemma are converted into management questions. Now we will see what are various types of management questions. Management questions does not indicate what kind of research is to be done. It is further explored through experience surveys. The researcher finally arrives at a clear statement of the management questions. So type of management questions are like depending on the choice of purposes or objectives, what we want to achieve, that is the type. then generation and evolution of various solutions. The questions will be what or how can we achieve the end we seek. Then troubleshooting or control situations. Management questions type will be how well is our program meeting its goals. So these are various types of management questions. Now we will see how to convert management questions into research questions. The researcher assists the managers to translate the management questions into research questions. Manager uses his or her expertise and skill sets to formulate the research questions. Here, the manager evaluates different courses of actions that should be researched. A research question is a hypothesis of choice that covers the objective of the study. Now we will see various steps of translating management questions into research questions. Those steps are like this. Identify management questions and its area and related factors. Break the research questions into specific second and third level questions. List sub-questions in the order of priority. Variables or factors to be identified as causing and affected. Find issues or variables having cause and effect relationship. For each research questions, formulate hypothesis. Similar issues should be grouped by considering the features and formulate general hypothesis by including or clubbing similar issues of the research problem. So these are various 8 steps I have mentioned. Now we will see few of the examples. Now we will consider from the start, like what was our management dilemma? Our management dilemma was why the company's sales are declining. We have converted this management dilemma into management questions like how to increase the sale. That was our management question. Now we will further convert management question into research questions. So how to increase the sales? Then the research questions will be like this. Should we introduce new products? Should we introduce incentives for salesmen? Should we advertise more? Should we hire new marketing team or should we explore the new markets? So to increase the sales, these are various variables that we have identified and we have framed research questions. We will take another example. Our management dilemma was like this. Call center is receiving many complaints regarding after sale services. Now we have converted this management dilemma into management questions like this. How to decrease the number of complaints reported. So further research questions can be framed like this. Should we hire more employees to resolve the after sale complaints? Or should we provide discounts to the escalated customers so that the customers will turn their unhappiness or dissatisfaction into satisfaction? Or is there any need to train the existing team so that lesser complaints will be there? So this is how research questions can be formed. We will take one more example. Can we go for new modification in the existing successful product? That was our management dilemma. We have converted that management dilemma into management question like which modifications are to be done in the existing problem. Further, we will now design research questions like which new features we can add in the existing product. Are there any specific requirements from customers that we can add in the modification? Is there really need to modify the existing product? And shall customer accept the new product, like improved product? So these are various research questions that need to be answered or addressed. Another example we have already taken. What is the reason behind increasing defective output in a particular workshop or factory? That was the management dilemma. We have converted that management dilemma into management question like this. How to decrease defective outputs? Further, These management questions will be framed in research questions like this. Should we purchase more machines so that defective output will be decreased? Or should we service existing equipments to decrease the defective output? Or should we train the employees? Or should we use or apply the Pokayoke, that is Japanese mistake proofing technique, so as to decrease the defective output? These will be your research questions. So after designing the research questions, fine-tuning of the questions is done precisely to check whether the research questions frame enhance the direction of the project or not. Now, after these research questions are framed, investigation questions can be formed. Now we will take same example. What is the reason behind increasing defective output? From that we have framed four research questions. We will term them as RQ1, RQ2, RQ3 and RQ4. That is four research questions. Now these four research questions are further in detail converted into investigation question, that is IQs. Like our first RQ was RQ1, should we purchase new machineries? Now this was our research question, should we purchase new machineries? And to address this question, we can now add few investigation questions like this. What is the cost of new machinery? From where we have to purchase or we can purchase the new machinery? Will our problem of defective output will get solved after purchasing of new machineries? And each faculty machines is the real problem behind the defective output. Faulty machine is the real problem behind the defective output. So these are our investigation questions. Second research question was, should we service the existing equipments? So investigation questions 5, 6 and 7 will be, when last servicing was done? Servicing is a regular service or breakdown service? And will our problem of defective output will get solved after servicing the equipments? So these are investigation questions for research question 2. Research question 3, should we train our employees? Further we can frame the investigation question like this. When last training was done? Is the training is really needed to our existing employees? And will our problem of defective output will get solved after training to the employees? So these are investigation questions number 8, 9 and 10. Similarly, research question number 4, should we apply that Japanese mistake proofing technique, that is Pokayoke? That was our research question. And we can further add our investigation questions like this. Can we easily implement Pokayoke in our existing company or in the company? Then is training really needed to employees about the implementation of Pokayoke? So employees should be aware about what is this Pokayoke technique. And lastly, will our problem of defective output will get solved after successful implementation of Pokayoke or not? So these are investigation questions. So from these 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 research questions, we have framed total 13 investigation questions. So this is how management dilemma is converted into management questions. Management questions are further converted into research questions, and research questions are further converted into various investigation questions. So from for one management dilemma, now we have framed here total 13 investigation questions. We can add or we can add more questions in the investigation questions. We can add more research questions also. Now the last part is measurement questions. It is the final level of hierarchy. By using the measurement questions in the form of questionnaire or observation method, data is to be collected from the respondents. We are having separate video on measurement questions and how to convert the scales, Richter scale and all that we will learn in a separate video. The questionnaire is prepared by researcher as an research instrument. Various dependent and independent variables will be identified. Such questions must be suitable to investigation questions. Here we note that we will see the measurement questions, questionnaire and designing the upcoming videos. In brief, the first determining the nature of the summary of question in research, we can say like that. First, Determining the nature of management dilemma makes asking questions a much easier task. Then, a management question asks what management can do to eliminate the problem. The research question then determines what is possible to change or management's part to correct the problem. The investigation questions determine the specific alternative options or managers could take to help and to solve the various problems. The measurement questions turns the problem into the measurement. For a problem with slow deliveries, the appropriate questions relate to which companies have the best delivery times in the area. The management decisions. The management decision is the final step and the decision should provide a solution to the problem that we have started with. So this is the summary of questions in research. Now what we have learned today, learning outcomes are, we have learned the concept of questions in research. In detail, we have seen the management research questions hierarchy. In the next video, what's next? We will learn about the process of business research. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning, and keep watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell icon for the further notifications. All the best.